हेलो एवरीवन, आपका स्वागत है फ्रॉम आईएएस के प्रीलिम्स 21 टेस्ट 1 के पार्ट 3 में। इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब इट। द क्रेडिट ऑफ दिस वीडियो गोज टू फोरम आईएएस। हेलो गाइस, इन द लास्ट लेक्चर वी डन solutions of up to question number 66. Now we will discuss question number 67 to question number 100 in this video. Let's start. The first question is, question number 67 is, which of the following functions can be performed by the committees of the parliament? Detailed study of bills under consideration of the house, supervision of the work of various departments under the government of India, investigation of the cases of corruption, day-to-day business of the house. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 67 is B. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 68. Consider the following statement. The presiding officer of the legislature is the final authority in matters of regulating the business of the legislature. Members of parliament can lose membership of the house in the case of defection. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 68 is C. Both 1 and 2. The presiding officer of the house is the authority who takes final decision. On such cases. If it is proved that a member has defected, then such member loses the membership of the house. Besides, such a person is also disqualified from holding any political office like ministership, etc. The next question is question number 69. Consider the following statement with regard to the idea of liberty. Negative liberty is concerned with the recognition of minimum area in which individual can act unobstructed by others. Positive liberty recognizes that an individual can be free only in society and not outside of it. The correct answer of question 69 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is, now in this question number 69, positive liberty is concerned with looking at the condition and nature of the relationship between the individual and society, and of improving these conditions such that there are fewer constraints to the development of the individual personality. The next question is question number 70. With regard to the biojet fuel, consider the following statement. It can be blended with aviation fuel which is used in aircrafts. It can be produced from tree body oils including neem and jatropha. The correct answer of question number 70 is C. 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 71. Which of the following would increase liberty in society? Absence of any laws, good public education system for all, high inequality in access to material resources, lack of involvement of certain sections of society in the political decision making. The correct answer of question number 71 is D. Good public education system for all. Absence of laws will lead to situation of anarchy. Where liberty would be highly curtailed. Good public system for all will contribute in increasing the capability of a person of developing her potential, thereby increasing the choices for that person. This is related to the positive liberty. The next question is question number 72. Consider the following statement. Banning and censorship of books, plays and other artwork curtails the freedom of expression. Our freedom of expression cannot be said to be curtailed when we willingly accept certain constraints for the sake of pursuing our goals and ambitions. The correct answer of question number 72 is C. Both 1 and 2. If we willingly or for the sake of pursuing our goals or ambitions accept certain restrictions, our freedom is not similarly limited. It is not in any case. If we are not coerced into accepting the condition, then we cannot claim that our freedom has been curtailed. The next question is question number 73. Which of the following were the major objectives of Jawaharlal Nehru foreign policy? To promote rapid economic development, to preserve the hard-earned sovereignty, to protect territorial integrity. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 73 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All options are correct. Three major objectives of Jawaharlal Nehru foreign policy are to preserve the hard-earned sovereignty, to protect territorial integrity, to promote rapid economic development. The next question of question number 74. In August 1971, India signed a 20-year Treaty of Peace and Friendship with. The correct answer of question number 74 is Soviet Union. India signed a 20-year Treaty of Peace and Friendship with the Soviet Union in August of 1971. The next question is question number 75. The term Iron Dome, sometimes seen in the news, is an anti-missile system indigenously developed by India, a mobile all-weather air defense system developed by Israel, a nuclear research facility located in France, an air raid shelter developed by North Korea. The correct answer of question number 75 is B. A missile all-weather air defense system, a mobile all-weather air defense system developed by Israel. Recently, when Gaza attacked Israel, then Israel Iron Dome, indigenously built, developed by Israel, used against missiles coming from Gaza. In the next question is question number 76. With reference to the Indian nuclear policy, consider the following statement. India wanted to generate atomic energy for peaceful purpose. The nuclear program was initiated under the guidance of Homi J. Bhabha. India always considered the nuclear non-proliferation treaty as discriminatory and had refused to sign it. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 76 is D. 1, 2, 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 77. To make an equal and just society, which of the following is needed? The correct answer of question number 77 is D. Access to basic goods. The next question is question number 78. Consider the following statement regarding the advice tendered by the Council of Minister to Governor. Nature of advice tendered by Minister to Governor can be inquired by the courts in the country. The action of Governor can be questioned by judiciary if it is not aligned with the advice of Council of Ministers. The correct answer of question number 78 is D. Neither one, neither two. The next question is question number 79. The movement for right to information started in which of the following state? The correct answer of question number 79 is D. Rajasthan. The movement for right to information (RTI) is one of the examples of a movement that succeeded in getting the state to accept its major demand. The movement started in 1990 when a mass-based organization called the Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan (MKSS) in Rajasthan took the initiative in demanding records of famine relief work and accounts of laborers. The next question is question number 80. Which of the following statements are correct about non-performing assets, NPA, divergence, NPA in bank? It takes place when RBI finds that the lender has underreported bad loans in a particular area. It is used by RBI to compel banks to improve their loan loss ratios. The correct answer of question number 80 is C. Both 1 and 2 is correct. The next question is question number 81. With reference to the urban local government in India, consider the following statement. Lord Ripon is called as father of local self-government in India. It is a provincial subject as per the Government of India Act of 1935. The first municipal corporation in India was set up at Bombay. The correct answer of question number 81 is A. 1 and 2 only. Lord Ripon resolution of 1882 has been hailed as the Magna Carta. Magna Carta of local self-government. He is also called as the father of local self-government in India. And the second statement is, under the provincial autonomy scheme introduced by Government of India Act of 1935, were declared a provincial subject. The next question is question number 82. Which one of the following statement is incorrect about the consequences of emergency of 1975 on India? The correct answer of question number 82 is D. The right of citizens to move the court for restoring their fundamental rights was not suspended. This is the incorrect. All options are correct, but in this question asked for incorrect option, then this is option D is correct. The next question is question number 83. Consider the following statement with regard to the idea of reasonable restriction imposed by the state based on the harm principle as promoted by political philosopher J.S. Mill. Statement 1. Imposition of reasonable restriction on the action of individual are intended to reduce freedom in a society as a whole. Hate campaigns fall under the category of actions where reasonable restrictions can be imposed by the state. The correct answer of question number 83 is B. 2 only. Hate campaign fall under the category of the actions where reasonable restrictions can be imposed by the state. The next question is question number 84. Consider the following statements. The advice to the President to proclaim emergency must be given in writing by the Cabinet. Once an emergency is proclaimed, all the powers are concentrated in the hands of the Union Government. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct option of question number 84 is C. Both 1 and 2. every resolution approving the proclamation of emergency or its continuance must be passed by either House of Parliament by a special majority. And once an emergency is proclaimed, the federal distribution of powers remains practically suspended and all the powers are concentrated in the hands of Union government. The next question is question number 85. With regard to the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, consider the following statement. Statements are: it is the apex body responsible for ensuring food safety and compliance to food standards across India. Its new food packaging norms allow the use of packaging material made up of recycled plastic. Which of the statements given above is are correct? The correct answer of question number 85 is A. One only. It is the apex body responsible for ensuring the food safety and compliance to food standards across India. The next question is question number 86. With reference to the Dravidian movement, consider the following statement. It was one of the first armed movements in Indian politics. It led to the formation of Dravida Kazhagam under the leadership of E.V. Ramasamy Periyar. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 86 is D. Two only. It led to the formation of Dravida Kazhagam under the leadership of E.V. Ramasamy Periyar. The next question is question number 87. Which of the following can be audited by the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Expenditures from Contingency Fund of India, local bodies, expenditure from Consolidated Fund of State, government companies. Which select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 87 is D. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 88. Consider the following statement. Citizenship refers to full and equal membership of a nation state. States provide a collective political identity to their citizens. Citizenship provisions are provided in the Part 2 of the Indian Constitution. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 88 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. Citizenship has been defined as full and equal membership of a political community or a nation state. Nation states provide a collective political identity as well as certain rights to their citizens, and the provisions about citizenship in the Constitution of India can be found in Part 2 of the Indian Constitution. The next question is question number 89. Consider the following statements. In the Western model of secularism, state and religion do not interfere in each other's affairs. The idea of interreligious equality is critical to the Indian model of secularism. State does not officially recognize any particular religion as the state religion in both Western and Indian model of secularism. The correct answer of question number 89 is D. 1, 2 and 3. In the Western model of secularism, state and religion do not interfere in each other's affairs, and the idea of interreligious equality is critical to the Indian model of secularism. The next question number is 90. Consider the following pair of SI units and the basis of its definition. Meter, based on speed of light. Kilogram, based on Planck constant. Second, based on radiation of cesium-133 atom. The correct answer of question number 90 is D. 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. The next question is question number 91. Consider the following statement. Granting of equal citizenship to all members of the society provides for local equality in a society. Lack of safety for women in public places and workplaces points to the existence of social inequality in India. Marxism and liberalism both argue for bringing economic equality in society by abolishing private ownership of economic resources. Which of these statements are correct? The correct answer of question number 91 is A. 1 and 2 only. The next question is question number 92. Freedom in society may imply that there is an absence of. The correct answer of question number 92 is D. Constraints. Freedom means absence of any external constraint on an individual. If the state of being where an individual is able to make independent decisions and expand one's ability to express himself and develop his her potential. The next question is question number 93. Which of the following is not ground for proclamation of national emergency in India? Not a ground. External aggression, war, internal disturbance, armed rebellion. The correct answer of question number 93 is C. Internal disturbance. The next question is question number 94. Which one of the following sets of pairs are correctly matched? Concept and application. The correct answer of question number 94 is C. Option C. 2 only. Equal rights application are every adult citizen has the right to vote. The next question is question number 95. Consider the following statement with regard to the New Space India Limited, NSIL. It is a commercial arm of the Indian Space Research Organization. It aims at enabling Indian industries to take up high technology space related activities. The correct answer of question number 95 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 96. Which of the following are the grounds on which citizenship can be acquired in India? Birth, naturalization, inclusion of territory, descent. The correct answer of question number 96 is D. But you can acquire citizenship in India by birth, by naturalization, by inclusion of territory, by descent. The next question is question number 97. Which of the following statement is incorrect? In this question, we have to select incorrect option. The correct answer of question number 97 is C. Right to have primary education in one's mother tongue constitutes human rights. This is incorrect overall. By right, and option A is right to vote and contest election is political right. Yes, it is correct. Political rights help in making the government accountable to people. It's also right. Indian state recognizes economic rights of citizenship through programs like Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. One example is MG Narega. And option C is incorrect. The next question is question number 98. Which of the following can be the basis for the nation? People of nation have a shared belief in a collective identity and vision for the future. People of nation embody a sense of continuing historical identity. Nations identify with a particular territory. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 98 is A. 1, 2 and 3. All options are correct. The next question is question number 99. Consider the following statement. A theocratic state is the one which is directly governed by a priestly order. A secular state can have an official religion. Which of the statement given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 99 is A, one only. A theocratic state is one which is directly governed by a priestly order. The next question is, and the last question of this video is 100. In which of the following area is 5G technology going to find application? Precision manufacturing, Internet of Things, telecontrol of surgical robots, smart grids. The correct answer of question number D is, question number 100 is D. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the options are correct. Okay guys, this 100 question has done of Forum IS. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys.